Okay, good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that Mr. Lamb is filling the boy dairy with the confidence, and he has given many more examples. As the boy is saying that the room is empty, but Mr. Lamb is saying no, it is full from the books. Okay, and he does not like the curtains because he is not fond of sitting in the things, sitting out the things. He like the wind, he like the sun rays. Okay, and also told that he was having hundreds of friends. Okay, and he is asking that Derry is asking that how you make all these things. Okay, then Mr. Lamb is saying watching, listening and thinking. Mr. Lamb is saying that after watching, listening and thinking, I make out all these things. Derry, I did like place like this, a garden. Okay, Derry is saying that such a place like garden is liked by him. I did like a house with no curtains, and Derry is also telling that he likes such a house where there is no curtains. Mr. Lamb, the gate is always open. Mr. Lamb is telling to Derry that the gate is always open for everyone. Derry, but this is not mine. Derry is saying that, but this garden is not mine. Mr. Lamb, everything is yours if you want it. Okay. Mr. Lamb is telling to Derry that everything is yours if you are desiring for that, if you are wanting for that. What is mine is anybody, and Mr. Lamb is saying whatever is his is of anyone. Derry, so I could come here again. Derry is saying, so if I like, I can come here again. Even if you were out, I could come here. Even if you were out, I could come here. Derry is saying that if you are not inside this garden, then I could come also. Then I could come also. Okay. Yes, Mr. Lamb, certainly, of course. You might find others here, of course. Okay, but Mr. Lamb is saying that suppose that I am not inside the garden, I am not in the garden, so you may find the other person here. Other person here. There is saying, oof, Mr. Lamb. Well, that need not stop you, but you have no need to stop by seeing them. You need not mind, and you should not mind to them. Derry, it did not stop them. It did stop them. Okay, Derry is saying no, I am not going to stop myself, but they will stop. They mind me, and they will mind to me when they saw me here. When they will see me here, they will mind to me. They look at my face and run away, and the people will see to my face and they will run away from me. They will run away from me. Mr. Lamb, they might not. Okay, they might run away. They may not run away. Okay, you did have to take the risk. Okay, now you have to take the risk. So would they? So would they? You have to take the risk. Derry, no. You would. No. Derry is saying no. I am not going to take risk for that. You are going to take risk for that. Why he is saying so? You might have me and lose all your other friends. Derry is saying that you will find me, but you will lose all your friends because after seeing my face, they will run away from here. They will run away from here and they will never return to see this place again. So you will lose your all friends. You will find me, but you will lose all your friends. Okay, friend, because nobody wants to stay near me if they could help it. Okay, yes, if they could escape, they could run away from here, they will not like to stay with me. Mr. Lamb is saying, I have not moved, but I have not run away. Terry, no. Mr. Lamb, when I go down the street, the kids shout Lambie Lamb. Mr. Lamb is giving one more example, and he is saying that whenever I go to the street, the kids shouts me Lambie Lamb, but they still come into the garden. Okay, they call me Lambie Lamb. Okay, but they come in my garden, they come into my house. It is a game. They are not afraid of me. They are not afraid from lamb. Why should they be? And why should they afraid? Why should they get afraid from me? Because I am not afraid of them, so they are not afraid of me. That's why not. Okay, and this is the reason. And this is the reason that they are not afraid from me. This is, and that is why not. Okay, this is the reason that they are not afraid from me. Derry, did you get your leg blown off in the war. Blown off means होता है blasted. Did your leg blasted in the war? Did your leg blasted in the war? Mr. Lamb, certainly, yes. I have lost my leg in war. Okay. Jerry, how will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down then? Okay. So, when you have lost your leg, then he is asking that how he climbs on a ladder and he pluck the crab apples. Okay. Mr. Lamb, oh, there are a lot of things I have learned to do. Mr. Lamb is telling that he has learned so many things. He has learned much more things. Okay. And plenty of time for it, and he has given much more time. He has given abundant of time. He has given too much time to learn all these. To learn all these. It take it steady. Okay, it take it steady, and it has taken much more time to learn all these things, and I clutch the things very steadily. Okay, Diary. If you fell and broke your neck, suppose that you have fallen from the ladder and your neck is broken, you could lie on the grass and die, and you will be lie down. You will be lied down on the grass and you will die. If you were on your own, if there is no one, if there is no one, and you are all alone in the garden, and you are trying to pluck the crab apples, pluck the crab apples. Maybe you slipped from the ladder, fell from the ladder, and you will die, and then will be no one to ask about you. Mr. Lamb, I could, yes, it may be happen. Derry, you said I could help you. Yes, you have said to me that I could help you. Okay. Mr. Lamb, if you want to do, if you like, you can help me. Derry, but my mother will want to know where I am. Okay, I can help you, but my mother will try to know that where I am. It is 3 miles home across the fields, and my home is at the distance of 3 miles from your garden, and this is situated across the fields. I am 14, and now I am 14 years old. Now I have become 14 years old, but they still want to know where I am. But they want to know, but always they want to know where I am. People worry. Okay, the people always worry. Okay, and there is saying that people fuss. There is saying people fuss. Fuss means to pay too much attention to unimportant things. To pay too much attention to unimportant things means हिंदी आडंबर करना, दिखाना. The people fuss. The people paid much more attention to the unimportant things. Okay. Mr. Lamb, go back and tell them. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying, suggesting him, go back to your home and inform to them that you are in my garden, Derry. It is 3 miles. Derry is saying that it is 3 miles away. It is 3 miles away. Derry is telling that it is 3 miles away. Okay, Mr. Lamb is telling that it is fine evening and you have got legs. The evening is very good, and you have legs. Derry, once I got home, they did never let me come back. Okay, Derry is saying that if I reached my home, they will never allow me to come back. Mr. Lamb, once you got home, you did never let yourself come back. Okay, and Mr. Lamb is saying that if you reached your home, so you will never allow yourself to come back. You will never allow yourself to come back. Okay. Derry, you don't know what I could do. Derry is saying that perhaps you are totally unacquainted about the fact that what can I do. Mr. Lamb, no, only you know that. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying, yes, what could you do? Yeah, what can you do? I don't know. Only you know all these things. Derry, if I choose. Derry is saying that if I choose, then after my students you are seeing dash dash dash. It means to say that he wants to say that if he choose, he can do anything. Mr. Lamb, if you choose, I don't know everything. Boy, he is saying that yeah, I don't know everything. If you choose, what can you do? I cannot tell you what to do. Okay, and Mr. Lamb is saying that I cannot tell you anything that what is to be done. Derry, they tell me, the people always tell Mr. Lamb, do you have to agree? Whatever you are told by the people, do you agree with all those facts? I don't know what I want. Okay. Now we find out that Derry is unable to justify what is to be done, and so he is saying, I don't know what I want. Okay, and he is totally unknown what he wants to do. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Derry is saying that I want to achieve such a thing which was not achieved by anyone, something just mine, and that thing should be mine, like this garden. I don't know what it is. Okay, like your garden, ठीक है ना, like your garden. Okay, yes guys, like your garden. Mr. Lamb, you could find out. Okay, you could find out everything. Okay, you could find out everything. You could find out everything. Derry, how? Waiting, watching, listening, sitting here or going there. Okay, and Derry, Mr. Lamb is saying that watching, listening, going and here and there, you can find, you can understand everything. Derry, those other people who come here, do they talk to you? Okay, and Derry is asking again, the people who comes here, who the people who come here, okay, they talk to you, ask you things, they ask about the things to you. Okay, Mr. Lamb, some do, some do not. Some people ask the thing, some people do not ask about the things, but I ask from them because I like to learn, because I am fond of learning. Derry, I don't believe in them. Derry is saying that he was not having any faith, any belief in the words which is spoken by Mr. Lamb. Okay, Derry is saying that I don't believe in them. Okay, I don't believe that the people come. Okay, the people come. I don't think anybody ever comes. And Derek saying that he don't think that anyone comes in his garden. You are here all by yourself. Derek saying that no one comes here. You are all alone here, ठीक ना? And you are in a miserable condition, pitiable condition, in a sorrowful condition, and no one would know if you were alive or dead, and no one want to know whether you are alive or dead, or nobody cares, and no one cares you. No one cares you, Mr. Lamb. You think what you please. Yes, whatever please you, you can think like that. Okay, whatever please you, you can think. Okay, Derry, all right then, tell me some of their names. Okay, Derry is saying that if you are having friends, the people always come in your garden and you ask the questions or you talk to them, please tell me their names. Please tell me their names. Mr. Lamb, what are names? What is the meaning of names here? Tom, Dick, Harry, getting up. I am off down to the beach. Now I am going to see my beach. Derry, I think you are daft, you are crazy. Derry is saying that I think that you are crazy, means foolish fellow. Okay, you are foolish fellow. Okay, you are daft. You are a foolish fellow, you are crazy fellow, you are eccentric fellow. Okay. Mr. Lamb, that is a good excuse. Okay, that is a good excuse for you. ठीक है ना, not to come again. Derry, what for? You don't talk sense. You are not talking like the sensible person. Mr. Lamb, good excuse not to come back. Mr. Lamb is telling that it is a very good excuse for not coming back to this garden or to me. You have got a burnt face, and that is other people's excuse. And this is your excuse that your one side face is burnt. This is your excuse. Derry, you are like the others. Derry is saying that you are like the other persons. You like to say things like that, and you say the things just like the other person. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. If you are not feeling sorry for my face, if you are not feeling sorry, if you are not having any grief for my face, it means that you are frightened of it. You are frightened of it. Okay. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. And if you are not frightened, you are thinking that I am ugly just like a monstrous, just like a devil. Okay, I am a devil, don't you? And you are thinking that I am just like a devil. Don't you think like that? Shouts, and Derry started shouting. Mr. Lamb does not reply, and no reply was given by Mr. Lamb. No reply was given by Mr. Lamb. He has gone to his beach, and he went to see his beach. Derry, quietly, no, you do not know. I like it here. And Derry is saying that you do not know. I like this place. Pause. Derry gets up and shouts. Derry gets up, rise up, and he started shouting. I am going, but I will come back. He is saying that I am going, but he will come back. You see, you wait, I can run. You see, you can wait, I am going to run. Okay, I will be back. Okay, I am not having a tin leg and I will be back. Dairy runs up, silence the sounds of the garden again. Okay, Dairy started running, and there was only the sound of the garden.